Good morning, everyone. Hello, hello, hello. How are you guys? How is your morning so far? Good morning, everyone. Can you short gold? We're gonna find out this. I don't know yet. We'll try to do top-down analysis together to see what is going on. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Okay, guys, let's see what we have. I will start with gold, then we'll check silver. Probably we'll check NQ. All right. All right. So we just hit forced standard deviation of this manipulation leg. And price trying to reject of this level. Unfortunately, I didn't take this long. I mean, it wasn't obvious long in real time. I'm not going to lie. We stuck between buy side and sell side. And once again, long from here. I know like some people took this. For me personally, it wasn't obvious. So from this, the very last move down before reversal, manipulation leg, we hit forced in the deviation. Let's see what projection we can use right now, where we can go. We're gonna find out this right now. So on daily, we got reaction. Once again, internal to external range liquidity, right? So daily fair value gap respected, we got potential sweep, we got continuation, move to external range liquidity. Okay, on for a chart. I want to repeat again, long wasn't obvious to me initially, like this move up. You bullish on gold. What level you aiming for? Give me the price on futures, please. So for our manipulation, I'm just trying to find, like any projections, probably because we're above all-time high. We just hit forced standard deviation. That's it. That's all I know. Okay. Consolidation. I guess I can try to use leg over here, but I feel like I'm just trying to pick any leg to find the level, which is annoying. I mean, okay, 36.52 can be next level. Once again, it's kind of hard right now to anticipate like any level higher. 36.57. Okay, forced standard deviation of this random leg is at 36.52. Okay, that's gonna work. Which means what? We can look for probable continuation higher. Right now needs to pray for a good setup. Okay, what I want to see at this point, I would like to see the tracement down first. So maybe something like this. I don't want to long and deep premium, I'm just trying to find any like logical levels and obvious levels. So let's say price going down to 15-minute fair value gap. And we look for the reversal from there. Maybe. Bullish on NQ, yeah. I mean, that's obvious. 15-minute fair value gap. Yes, probably I would like to see the tracement 10-15 points. We are not gonna down to new day open. Oh, you mean new day opening gap on NQ? I had this level on my chart. Preferably I want to see this, but market is too bullish right now on NQ. Okay, going back right now to gold, I would like to see the tracement down to 15-minute fair value gap. Somewhere here between 618 and 624. And probably would like to wait for the action to long this. Maybe. Yeah. If you can see this, because right now, unfortunately, I don't see like good setup to trade something. We're trying to expect once again lower time frame manipulation like projection, forced in a deviation. And that's it. That's pretty much it, to the tick. Okay, just let's see and pray for this move down to 15-minute fair value gap and try to look for the action from there. It's trying to like, it's approaching really this fair value gap right now. You think like breakaway gap? I don't want to see this as breakaway gap, honestly. Like we have a flat candle here, like equal lows. I know, I feel like it makes sense to retrace, but I hope it's not going to be breakaway gap. But yeah, huge fair value gap, big range fair value gap. Let's see if we retrace like 10, 15 points down. 36, 13. Yeah, I mean, retracement down to this fair value gap, then look for the action. I hope so. We are going to get long, guys. Not going to promise anything because I cannot see the future. NVP was today and it's Friday, so maybe I'm asking for too much. But something like this, yes, please. Maybe 36.20. It works for me. I would say between like 18, 24. So basically, I would delete these projections, but yes. I agree with 36.20. Maybe even lower, like 18. We don't have any like setup for short yet. I mean, oh, you're in short. What level did you use to enter the trade? Like reaction from all-time high? Unfortunately, I cannot see entry for short from 41. Okay, seems like reaction from all-time high. Okay. Yeah, like 20, 24. Yeah, probably. Just cannot see entry yet. It's okay. Yeah, picking like random luck, exactly. That's me right now. Okay, guys. Yeah, silver was nice, by the way. Nice short. Oh, by the way, let's see maybe we have set up here. Yeah, it's kind, like overall, it's kind of hard to trade silver because if I trade with 1 minute, it's so easy to blow account. Like you really need to be in the right direction. 15-minute fair value gap, potential 30-minute sweep, right? Not here, here. Potential 30-minute sweep. Trying to form fair value gap. Not yet, but trying. If it's going to be fair value gap, yeah, and Q to the moon, I saw that. I know, if it's going to be fair value gap, it's not yet. Like 1 minute left. Maybe. Okay, since I'm not in trade right now, I'm going to watch gold and silver. Let me open this on my another screen. So I hope I'm not going to miss anything today. Yeah. Yeah. Got perfect Asia trade. Like Asia kill zone. Perfect performance yesterday. Good performance today, but I would like to trade something on my funded futures today accounts. Since I didn't touch them today yet. Hope to get something good. But once again, it's Friday. I'm not going to force anything. Yeah, Asia was amazing, right? Like overall, I like it. Let's check in queue real quick. Okay, we reached New York midnight open. We entered for our fair value gap on ES. Let me maybe move something like this, I guess. Easier to see everything. So as you can see, we reach for our fair value gap. We got the test of New York midnight open, both ES and NQ. Price broke above all-time high again on ES, and we took equal highs, flat candle, and for a chart on NQ. So the very next level is going to be all-time high. Can we go there today? We will see. I don't know yet. It's preferable to get TGIF today after strong bullish week, but And once again, I don't want to predict something right now, especially on NQ. So I use TJF indicators, so don't want to draw this manually. And so far, just with current price, on current price level, TJF is going to be right below data low. Let's highlight this. Data low. All right. Same for ES, data low. I would say near 25% of our current weekly range. Data low, NVP low, call this whatever you like news low. 36.18. Yeah, I like it, but I don't see short opportunity for me personally, so that's why I'm probably will stay away for now. I'm keeping my eyes on silver and gold. I'm not going to rush any trades. By the way, yesterday I was on long with just one micro. Yeah, it sounds funny, but I was long on NQ from 70 level, where it was. Oh, it's 15-minute chart. I was like, what is going on? I entered the trade over here at 69. And I closed my trade at 567. So almost 100 points. This is one micro only. But entered the trade around, I know, it was 10:39, 10:40. So basically a potential 30-minute sweep. And trades open of next candle. And I was holding to equilibrium Friday range. Basically, I never was in drawdown. Finally, I got win. One NQ. So let's see how it goes, because market is extremely bullish. I would say it's extremely bullish on gold, on silver, on NQ, on ES. So at this point, I don't want to short. Even if gold wants to drop right now, I don't want to short this. I will probably look for continuation. Let's see how it goes. By the way, guys, don't forget to join me today on my on TradingView TV at 11:30 a.m. I don't care about fair value gap on gold. Probably I will look for this fair value gap on silver. But once again, I don't want to short. I would like to retrace, not too long, probably. Oh, thank you, George. Thank you. So once again, I use TJF indicator to highlight 20 and 30% of current weekly range. So if price is going to move higher, it is going to move higher as well. Continuation, you want to see continuation from 36.12. Yeah, let's see. I need to get any setup, you know, first. Gonna wait probably right now. Not going to touch anything. I mean, I don't mind to trade pre-market, but I don't see something that's worth to trade. Obviously, we don't have what is that indicator? Just type like indicator CGIF. There is only one indicator CGIF on TradingView. That's it. ICT TJF underscore V2. And that's it. Hope to get continuation. Long setup on gold and silver. Of course, if we can get something there, but not going to short once again. Just for now, I have zero interest in shorting. NQ, yes, silver, gold. I keep checking CL, but CL honestly feels like garbage. I don't know why, but it's kind of hard to trade recently. I know why, once again. I use TJF only on Fridays, that's it. If ES or NQ made new high or low of the week on Friday, I use this indicator. So it broke trend line, going down. But honestly, yeah, I'm not going to keep my eyes today on CL. I don't like how it moves recently. Maybe because it's sharp on high time frame. Do you trade gold? Yeah. 99.9% of the time. Just since I'm waiting for any setup, I mean, probably long on gold continuation, I need to see the tracement down first. So nothing to trade there. I'm just going to wait. I hope it's going to offer setup today. Once again, guys, I'm going to repeat that again. Overall, nice move up, but in real time, this long didn't look good. Yeah, overall market is bullish. That's why I said probably don't want to short something. Don't look at me. Sorry, I am blind. I cannot say I was bearish on gold, but long wasn't obvious. On NQ, overall market is bullish. We're approaching all-time high on NQ again, but once again, there is chance to see retracement down first after such a big move up, right? By the way, where's my equilibrium Friday range? Oh, not Friday range, previous day range. You know, the question is if it wants retrace where, because ES already reached this for our untapped fair value gap, while NQ failed. So we have some sort of SMT. So we just took equal highs on forward chart, and it was also flat candle, approaching previous month's high and all-time high at same level. So yeah, probably it wants to continue going higher. Maybe minor retracement, but I feel like it's more bullish just for now. Retracement needed, in my opinion, because we just got straight move up since 8:30 a.m. But how far it wants to trace, I don't know yet, honestly. So TGIF right now on NQ lines up with news low, NVP low, data low. That's it. I would say 2-minute, 3-minute, and 5-minute chart overall good for trading, especially for framing setups like smart money reversal, changing the state of delivery. While on 1-minute chart, especially when we have an NQ or gold, so far we have just trend and this is uptrend. It's so hard right now to find something on 1-minute chart. Lots of fakes there, lots of noise there, and that's why I decided to just go on 2-3-minute chart because it's something between 1 and 5-minute chart, but still offers low risk trades with not big stop loss. 3-minute chart. Okay, let's see. A second stage of market maker buy model on 3-minute chart on gold, right? We're gonna see. We're gonna see. Also, I would say using like 2-minute chart, 3-minute chart, it's personal preference. Oh, by the way, guys, good news. Tomorrow I will post new video about how to set up NinjaTrader to trade prop firms. So I covered everything there. It's not going to be a long video, but I covered how to create charts, how to connect accounts, how to manage these accounts, how to create brackets, different type of brackets. I went through Replikanto. So I believe I covered everything because lots of questions about how I use NinjaTrader. Also, I covered like a small part about group trading on TradeAway. So finally, I recorded this video. I finished editing this video yesterday. I'm going to post tomorrow. Yeah, I covered trade copier there. I spent at least 10 minutes on it. Maybe less, maybe 8 minutes. Do you sell signals? Oh no. Nope. Yeah, I hope guys you're going to enjoy this. Right now, so in this video, I created new workspace on my Ninja Trader and accidentally I deleted my workspace that I used before. So currently use workspace that I explained in my video. Yeah, I will post tomorrow morning. Oh, gold trade? Give me 1 second. It's on my YouTube. Just 1 second, I'm going to share with you. LumiTraders going to go on my YouTube channel right now. Remember what I said last time, guys? Just buy evaluation or try to trade this on demo account. Only this strategy on gold with provided time. And say thank you to me later. Guys, send link. Oh, wrong channel. Wrong channel for some reason. Why? 1 second again. For some reason I sent for okay, don't never mind. It's going to block this link right now. All right. Pop up chat. Guys, can you see them? Probably you cannot see it. 1 second. Gonna fix this problem right now. And here we are. Why cannot use my channel? Come on. Let him move. Okay, let me try again. Can you see in, guys? From me? In the chat? Yes, no? Terrible no, right? Can I try again? Oh, yes? Oh, okay. Some people see. Okay, going to send again. Sorry, guys. Just 1 second. What about right now? You should see this. I guess so. Guys, I sent link in the chat right now. Yeah, okay. I sent link in the chat right now with video about how I trade gold. I covered everything there. But guys, I hope I'm going to record this today, maybe on Monday. I will do backtest session. Okay. I will do backtest session where I will show how I use this. So it will be like small lesson again about this gold model, silver model. It's the same silver, CL, gold. Then I will do backtest session. It's going to be long video, but sorry about this. It's going to be long video. It will be wild to see data low. I agree with you. Unfortunately, gold right now just stuck inside consolidation. Not touching this. Yeah, guys, I promise I'm going to record backtest session. It's easier for me to record backtest session because I don't need to edit anything there. What is the difference between scale and core? Let me send you a link because I did I explained this on my Twitter. 1 second, I'm going to send you a link. I personally have scale and core. If you want to try like new to prop firm, I recommend core plan. 1 second. Here's the link I'm going to send in the chat right now. But if you're new to my funded futures, I highly recommend to try core plan first. You love long videos? Okay. It's going to be like maybe 50, maybe even 1 hour video because I would like to test every single day. It's going to be from last year, like at least 2 weeks every day, like day after day. Oh, you're very welcome. That's huge bull flag. Yeah, I mean, yeah. Just overall, kind of, I feel like I would like to see the tracement. I really want to look for a long setup, but it's in deep premium, which makes me feel like, no, Dasha, thank you. It's Friday. Probably you find to stay away like all day. We will see. It's still too early in the day. I hope to get set up on gold or silver because silver is still trying to respect the fair value gap, but I'm not in trade yet, so nothing. And give 15-minute fair value gap. Overall, I would say it kind of makes sense to go to TGIF because looking on daily, it's pretty much straight move up since Tuesday. Retracement down back to New York midnight open, data low, like sounds okay and probably logical, but it lots of points to drop. I'm not honestly sure if it wants to go there. But minor retracement at least back to this 5-minute OB, yes, please. Yeah. If I want to look for long, probably what I would like to see. We're going down to this area. On 3-minute chart, it creates 3-minute OB somewhere here. I don't know where, but somewhere here. And I will try to long with stop loss below swing low that is going to form here. And I'm going to aim for 2R probably, right? Yeah, we already tested New York midnight open, yeah. Logic is not correlated with NQ. Yeah. Exactly. But I'm just thinking if it wants to trace, I will look for the trace into this 3-minute OB over here. And I will look for potential long at fresh 3-minute order block as reaction from, it's going to be propulsion block basically. Long, stop loss below swing low, 2R will be enough. Maybe something like this. Gold is doing absolutely nothing. Yes, I've been using funded next futures. Yes. I just kind of stick more to Tradify, my funded futures, funding ticks, and take profit trader. I know why. Oh, also Epics. I have new 20 Epics funded accounts, which I passed 2 days ago. No trades on them yet, still beginning balance. But yeah, I have Epics accounts. That's nice because I didn't have Epics for 2 weeks. Happy I passed this for 1 day and just need to start trading them probably next week. I didn't want to trade them yesterday and today on Monday. Oh yeah, exactly. My friend, it was gift on my birthday from my friend. D, yeah. I was in rush to pass Apex evaluations. It was when it was like Tuesday, because they said it's going to be expire on Tuesday, and I didn't want to pay twice, like activation for activation fee. I was like, I need to pass this fast. And at 6 p.m. on Tuesday, they said, we are going to extend this. I was like, really? I was trying to scalp and queue all morning to pass these accounts, and you saying right now you're going to extend activation fee? Oh, thank you, thank you. I mean, I use exactly the same model every single day. Asia, pre-market, New York IM session, I don't care. If I see model, I will execute this. If it's going to be loss, perfect, it's loss. If it's going to be win, perfect, it's win. But once again, I'm not sad because of losses anymore. I simply don't care about them anymore. I'm so happy about this, by the way. If loss, perfect, I will try again tomorrow. But what I know, I don't need to try to recover, guys. Because if I'm going to try to recover, trust me, it's not only me. When we're trying to recover, and we never ever use any model to recover our loss. We see red candle, we shorting. We see green candle, we long this. Yeah. And I learned my lesson. I'm not going to recover my losses anymore. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. Okay, market is open. Let's see if it wants to offer the tracement. I mean, maybe I'm asking for too much, but you know, like NFP, I don't know, like, because recently when we have bad news, market is going up. When we have good news, market is going up. I'm not sure if you need to trust news anymore. You hear? Let me send link in the chat again. It's on my YouTube channel. I tried just one single model, guys. Don't worry, I'm going to record new video, I hope today, and it's going to be about this model again, but I will include backtest. This video sent in the chat, guys. Check the link. Oops. Just sent link in the chat, but guys, don't worry. A new video about this model coming. I hope next week. But tomorrow I will post video about Ninja Trader. I do trade Asia. And finally, I was talking with my husband, guys. I dream about streaming Asia. It's much easier for me because I love silence. It's nice, easy for me to stream Asia. But the only problem, my kids. And I was discussing this with my husband 2 days ago. He said you can try to stream Asia, but it's kind of hard to pick the right time. But guys, next week I will try to stream Asia Killzone. I hope I'm going to start at 7:30 and until 9 p.m. Yeah, like 90 minutes, maybe 2 hours stream for Asia Killzone, only for gold, guys. Don't ask me about NQ. I'm not going to even check this. Only for gold. It's, you know, it's just easier for me because, you know, I am session recent. It's not bad. I'm not going to like blame market for something that I don't see probably, but gold moves nice for in pre-market. Recently 7 a.m. It's early, and Asia. But if I'm going to start at 7:30 a.m., most likely I will be able to catch setup right during the stream because, yeah, most of the time setup occurs 7:30, 7:20. But yeah, my kids not going to sleep at 7:30. They usually goes to bed around like 8:30. But I asked my husband to help me with this, so he said you can try. Maybe it's going to be a bit loud on the background because I have 2 kids. Any resources in French? You know, if you go on my YouTube, click gear icon, you can pick French language. You can pick any language you like. I asked on Twitter how many people are interested in this, and actually lots of people interested in this. I don't see lots of traders team in Asia. Asia Killzone. So I'm going to give it a try next week. I'm not going to promise it's going to be every day because once again, it's kind of hard because I'm going to stream PM session on TradingView TV. So it's going to be kind of hard for me to stream 3 sessions. But guys, once again, I'm going to stream PM session on TradingView TV every single day, Monday to Friday, from 12:30 until 2 p.m. starting Monday. And I will do my best to stream. I will do stream one stream at least next week during Asia Killzone. I'm not going to promise every single day, but at least I will try to do 2-3 times a week. between 7:30 and 9 p.m. because 24 hours, it's impossible. Maybe if I will steam PM, Asia kill zone, I'm not going to steam AM session, but you got my point. We will try. I will try to steam Asia kill zone because I have good trades doing Asia kill zone. I just would like to share these trades with you guys because normally I take this like alone. Yeah, probably. If I'm going to steam Asia, I'm not going to steam AM session. Most likely. Because I trade at this time. Anyway. I'm not going to steam Asia every day. It's impossible. Simply impossible. 1-2 times a week, maybe. Alright, guys, we got the tracement to 3-minute fair value gap on in queue. Let's check gold real quick. Well, nothing. Gold. Are you serious? Oh my god, good job. I remember you sent me a screenshot this morning with your Bitcoin trade. But since, yeah, Asia is nice once again because it's silence, it's night. So only, I would say, normal people will be on stream without hate or something like this. So yeah, I'm not going to stream in Q. It's going to be only gold and only gold. Not going to even check silver or something like this. Only gold trades. Most likely, it's going to be between 7:30 and 9 p.m. And yeah, I will try next week. I will let you know what day I can do this. But yeah, I have a plan to start streaming Asia. You will have the hate. Okay. It's 4 a.m. for you. Oh my god. So as I said, I want to see the tracement to 3-minute order block, and I would like to see if it wants to react from this order block, like to form 3-minute OB. Look for long with stop loss below swing low. Not sure where 3-minute order block is going to form. I know yet. Maybe it's going to be like here. I know. We will see. But if it's going to offer fresh 3-minute order block within this order block range, I will look for long for 2R, just for 2R. But from what I see right now, most likely I will look for quick scalp short below this low to data low to TGIF. Like short like this below this level because it's going to break order block. Or if it's going to stay within this range, I don't know yet. I cannot see the future, but at this point, something like this. Only within this order block range to make new high of the day and then potential short again to TGIF. I use 2-minute and 3-minute chart. Just on 2-minute chart, picture not perfect, unfortunately. And Q on Saturday? Good idea. Just on 2-minute chart looks garbage. But yeah, guys, I have a plan to steam Asia Kill Zone. I didn't see like lots of people steam it. Probably Asia is boring, but it offers lots of good opportunities. I don't know why like people don't steam this. I know why I don't steam this because I have kids. But lots of steamers that I see on internet like does not have kids. Because I'm sure if I didn't have family, I would steam like for a long time because I love it. But with my kids, it's impossible, like nearly impossible. Nobody steam London because lots of people sleep this time. Venom model. Unfortunately, I still don't know what is this. Yeah, Asia and gold are best friends. Yeah. Oh, by the way, guys, don't forget I'm going to be a host for a Ninja Trader competition challenge, which is going to start in 11 days. We'll trade Micro ES for 5 days, and winners is going to win money, cash. So let me send you link. So if you want to sign, it's completely free. You're going to trade in sim environment. You will have $10,000 initial balance, and that's it. You can risk as you can risk any like or your balance, but you can trade up to 10 micros. So you don't have like daily loss limit or something like this. So I'm going to participate as well, guys. I'm not sure I'm going to win, probably no, but because I hate micro ES, but I will participate. Guys, if you would like to participate in this competition with me, click this link, fill the form. It's free. Free entry. And let's see who is going to win. Who is going to be winner? Yeah, my kids go to bed at 8:30 a.m. They sleep in their room, so I can stream while they're sleeping. But after 8:30 a.m., normally setup already happened, so I would like to stream before that time. That's why I asked my husband to help me. He said we can try. Mm-hmm. Yeah, there is a chance to drop below this low. Gold stuck inside consolidation. That's extremely annoying. That's why I'm not sure about. On gold, I would like to long from somewhere from this area. That's the issue. See this range? It's becoming so tight right now. As I said before, I take trades of 50-minute, 30-minute, or hourly fair value gap or order block. So that's only PD I use. Even babysit, no, not really. Like they're 4 and 6. We don't need this anymore. It's important for me on gold to see in weight reaction. Someone is cutting the grass. That's right decision, guy. um, it's quite loud. Give me 1 second. Yeah, he left. So I trade off 15-minute, 30-minute, and hourly OB or fair value gap, sometimes liquidity level. And from that level, I will look for potential SIP on 30-minute chart and hourly chart. You mistake his kiss. But he said it's okay, at least to try. If it's going to be like 1 time or 2 times a week, probably that's okay. Okay, ES doesn't want to move at all so far. InQ trying to give us a reaction from the 3-minute order block. As I said, I would like to wait for fresh 3-minute OB for 2-hour trade. Also, 30-minute fair value gap on hourly did not balance this range, so we still have potential fair value gap here. As I said before, I will long. I don't mind to long, but we need to get order block. I hate to see like sequence of done close candles because I want to see like low risk entry somewhere here. Did not happen. Keeping my eyes on gold. I would like to long, but not from current price level. Have to wait, still wait. It's Friday, so I'm not going to force trades. I will wait for setup. The TradeZella account allows trades from Pakistan. I'm going to check right now for you. Restricted countries. Let me check because I'm not sure. No, you are in a restricted list, unfortunately. Now maybe we will go up. Let's see. Once again, let's see. I don't want to predict right now because I clearly see no setup yet to long. I mean, yes, we got sold reaction from 3-minute OB. That's pretty much it. it's not enough information yet to enter this trade. Even 1 minute chart did not offer any 1 minute OBs, still nothing. 2 minute order block, never offered. Issue with ES right now, it's inside consolidation, probably second stage of reaccumulation, time distortion, right? But I wouldn't mind, you know, guys, like, preferably, I wouldn't mind to break this order block and go all the way down here on ES. At this point, we can go lower on NQ as well. I just feel like it's not really ready to pump yet. Like, yeah. We have potential sweep on 30-minute chart. Let's see where's 2R, by the way. I like it. Mm, 50% of this 3-minute week. Let's compare this with ES. On ES, closure below this level. Closure, stop loss. 2R. Not sure about 2R at this point. Let's up use Asia low. Which one is better? I know yet. I mean, on ES, we don't have setup yet. Yeah, I will probably look for trade on ES, but we need to get the closure below blue line first. Yes, maybe something like this. Let me delete this for now. How big stop loss? It's not that big. Maybe in Q. Yeah, gold going higher. Not going to touch it then. Let's see if ES can close below this line. Oh, no short on ES yet. We need to get OB first. You said 250s. Gold, are you serious? I'm still flat. Which is annoying. No entry from here. As I said before, I would like to long from this area, from this 15-minute fair value gap, right to this level. I'm fine. No model, no trade. I learned my lesson. I'm going to stick to this. Honestly, I live in Florida, but I always feel cold. Like, why? Well, guys, we just got 3-minute OB on ES. How big? 8 points. Let me switch on ES on my Ninja Trade. ES. Futures. Let me highlight this on Ninja Trader. We have exactly same order block on NQ and ES. We got potential sweep, which is kind of like, honestly. Still flat, waiting right now for the entry. We'll look for the trade on ES, as you can see. Probably. Let's check MNQ real quick. We have 3-minute OB. The tracing to the 3-minute OB. I know. I don't like NQ short. That's all I know. Let's check ES. Oh, ES trying to break the 3-minute OB. It's choppy, quite choppy right now. Going to wait more. It overall seems like chop so far. You know, I have bet a relationship with NQ. If I will trade, I will trade ES only. Also, it's like relatively small stop loss. Yeah, we'll look for trade on ES today. We'll let you know. Not going to touch probably in Q. Maybe M and Q, but not in Q. Like 4 micros, 5 micros. Fully balanced legs. These guys, we don't have any fair value gap on M and Q right now. What about 1 minute chart? Yeah, even like no fair value gaps on 1 minute chart, which makes us so garbage. It looks so garbage. All right, for now, I'm going to just sit on hands. I don't like anything so far. Yeah, we'll keep you updated. Flat for now. We inverted this 3-minute fair value gap going high. What level we have higher on silver? What time is this? Oh, 9:51 only. It's not even 10 a.m. Like minor liquidity level and 50% of for our week here. Okay. Trading, they will see. So I kind of overall don't see good setup yet, like high probability setup yet. But probably will look for the trade on ES. I like ES more. Stop loss a bit less. You just gave me a great idea. What kind of idea? I forgot what I said. What I said. What kind of idea? Oh, yes. What are you doing, huh? Come on. Secret? Okay, okay. Why it disappeared? Okay. It's so stupid right now to see how ES broke the stimulant OB for no reason and just trying to drop. What's the point to do this? I know, like, I'm not sure about ES trade yet because it's quite choppy, but I kind of like it. Like my inner voice trying to tell me it should play out. Before dropping it SMT. Oh, yeah, maybe that was the reason, you know. But I was like 1 second away to enter the short here. It's really could stop me with 1 tick only. What? What a scam. Well, it's okay. Literally was about to enter the short here. Like here. Let's see real quick the difference. It's just 1 tick. Okay. Still watching ES, but feels like it's quite choppy here in this range. Good morning, good morning. Would play. Alright, alright. Going to switch back on ES on my Ninja Trader. Alright. Okay. Of course, just 1 mini contract. Not in trade, just watching. Why it's so garbage right now? I don't understand. I posted yesterday long long without sun. I remember, yes. This happened. Look at gold. Are you serious? Man, it's not what I expected to get. It's okay. But likes to short yes, not gold. Yes, trying to drop. But right now the question is if this order block invalidated, because basically we closed within this order block range. You know? Trump speaking at 11? Okay. No, sometimes setup's quite obvious. For example, right now, I would say it makes sense for ES to drop here because it's quite obvious. But the reason how they set this, maybe for SMT, as someone said in the chat, I can agree with this idea, right? Like minor SMT before reversal. But at this point, order block is going to be here, right? Like not that one, but preferably to be there. Like order block here. We need to wait for new closure. MNQ, what are you doing? Let me check. I'm pretty similar. Okay, to NQ. Sometimes it's different. Okay, 30 seconds left on this candle. Let's see where we're going to close. Trump's peaks at 11, someone said. I'm going to check this information right now. First factory and today's Friday, right? I cannot see this there. It says President Trump speaks at 4 p.m. It says at 4 p.m. I'm not going to argue about this, guys, because I don't really care. Yes. Micro ES. At 10 p.m. Why we have different time? Confused. Exactly. It's caused very, very crazy. Yeah. I'm not disappointed with missing this long. It wasn't like what I expected to get. Like there was no model there. Is the best. It's going to be Tradify or my fund teachers. The best one. Oh, I'm not short yet. Nope. Flat. Sitting flat. This chap questioned this setup, honestly, on yes. You cannot see yes chart, my bad. So this chap kind of once again questions this setup. Don't mind to still over, but I would like to see the test of previous month's high at least. Don't ask me about NQ because it's NQ. As we already figured out, like it does not have any logic anymore. Check 2-minute chart. It's, I know, on 2-minute chart looks better. Nope. We got the test of previous month's high, as I said before, that's preferred level. Next level for like 2R probably is going to be the test of new day opening gap. Like somewhere here. Still annoyed by this week. So we broke 3-minute OB, or not, give me 1 second. It's equal lows. Is it a joke? No. It cannot leave this equal lows, like no way. So at this point, since it left equal lows, I would like to see we breaking below this. This is what I want to see. This is what I want to say. You go to this new day opening gap. Well, I still believe ES was better than NQ. Prove me wrong. It was like way better. We broke this equal lows, but I would like to see this the test of new day opening gap. So at this point, I'm going to delete New York midnight open on NQ. I have 50% of this 3-minute week. It's struggling, but just back to NQ price action, kind of like it. I believe it's going to be free fall once this order block broken, because we're still trying to just peg that one, right? Free fall should be like this. Like I pointed here. Like 50%, but preferably data low because it's TGIF. Here's TGIF for guys, what I believe, once you break this 3-minute OB, both ES and NQ will take TGIF range, like 6507 on ES and data low and VP low on NQ. Let me switch on MNQ real quick. Like another like chance to enter the trade, maybe somewhere here. Yeah, so I'm thinking about continuation lower. Can it be another chance here to enter the trade, like right now? Just trying to stop myself from taking trades. Yes, my model that I trade on gold works on ES very well. I'm just trying to stop myself from taking unnecessary losses. I mean, like, stupid trades. Just trying to find logic. You know, while I'm trying to find logic, like to enter right now or not, So simply because we're still trying to respect this order block, so this low wasn't broken, this makes this order block still valid. But we have bearish OB as a reaction from equal highs flat candle and potential SIP, so basically continuation pattern. So it's kind of like tricky right now. As I said, I like ES more. But yeah, guys, if you want to backtest exact same model that I trade on gold on ES, it works pretty much well. Gold unfortunately went without us. We were looking for retracement down to 15-minute fair value gap, and I wanted to long from this level to 36.52. It's already went there, so probably I'm not going to check this anymore. So probably no trades on gold. I'm thinking right now for continuation lower. So basically this entry. Like current price level. Like short from here down to data low. Guys, what do you think about the short right now? Sorry, guys. Just took this. Yeah, I like this as well. So basically we just broke this order block, so it's not, it doesn't look bad anymore to short from this area like right now. So at this point, ES can go to new day opening gap. Yeah, kind of like right now opportunity to short. Chasing the price. I would say there is logic behind this trade, so I will try probably, give me 1 second, with 5 micros, 7 micros. Yeah, I like kind of in Q more than ES right now. Yeah. You know, we just broke this order block. So as I said before, ideally, I mean, even 2R is lower. Ideally to go like free fall, right, to this level. Equal lows broken. Like at the break. And like, if ES displays right now, I believe doesn't need displacement to new day opening gap right now. Scalp 1R to this 50% of 3-minute wick. And then data low as final target. So if it's going to displace right now on ES, we should go immediately to this TJF, I believe. Oh my goodness. Okay, there is logic behind this trade. Especially if he is displaced right now, should immediately go there. My bad. It's NFP, you know, like NFP. Small size. Only. Oops. What did I type here? So yes, just teaching you the opening gap, and it was without displacement. So this probably that's why we don't see the speed right now on NQ yet. But I really would like to see like displacement, like big down candle on ES, and we should go to TJF at this point. Even okay, considering a setup like potential 30-minute sweep, we still should go here, like to this partial level. Trying to display, so yeah. ES trying to displace, really struggling so far, but trying to displace. Once again, would like to see speed over this TGIF and would like to go to partial level. I like this displacement, should offer speed right now to this 50% of 3-minute week. Like, like this. Like done close candle to TGIF and move towards this 50% as partial level. Now it's 3-minute setup. Like logical setup. Oh, you did 2R? Okay. Let's see if we get partial. So, as I said before, preferably to get something like this. My bad, guys. I'm so sorry. A bit struggling at this new day opening gap, but it's okay. Still kind of like a bit more bearish. What else do we have right now on 1-minute chart? 1-minute chart, because 3-minute chart pretty much balanced. Not a lot. So even if it wants retracement, like this retracement is going to be stupid if it wants to retrace because it's fully balanced. Like I prefer it's either going to be reversal from nowhere right now or just move down. But retracement most likely no. Preferably to just go down. Because as you can see, 1-minute chart pretty much balanced. I'm going to trail my stop loss right now. I like this move up, move down on ES. I'm trailing stop loss right now in small profit. Okay, guys, take partial. I took partial just now. Right now, okay, I'm going to then move at break even, so no reason for me to risk anymore anything. Going to leave the rest to data low. I'm not sure if it's going to hit because he has just hit 20%, but we will see. $7.25, right? 7.26 then. Okay, I'm going to move my partial there. I left, like, I entered 7 micros only. Hate to trade in Q, so my opinion about NQ is still the same. Yeah, guys, I explained the reason of this trade. I entered here, so I didn't enter here, so I was quite conservative. Right where I said I'm going to enter. Not here, yes, it was here. Let's see if I can take, if it can fill my order. So my final target is TGIF. Keep trailing stop loss. 2 micros only left on this trade. Let's see if it's going to fill my order. It didn't yet. It was like 1 tick away. Approaching data low. Oh, okay. Oh no way! I didn't copy on my all my funded futures accounts. Oh my god, are you serious, Dasha? Oh, it's okay. I just trade on one account. Seems like it's okay. Honestly, I wish I was in a yes trade. New day opening gap. Okay. 23. I know, like Asia low seems good. Yes, took data low. All right. Oh, just free fall so far. Oh, you traded on ES and NQ. Oh, that's crazy. He just free fall so far. Oh my god. Yeah, M and Q. 7 micros. Initially, as I said before, most likely, if I enter it on ES as I wanted, like initially, it could be stop loss, unfortunately. Where it's going right now? Like new day opening gap? Filling the opening gap. Oh, you want to see 600? Oh, that's going to be crazy. So if it wants to drop, like for our fair value gap, what do you think? Like here, right? Yeah, maybe. 1 minute silver. I don't trade 1 minute chart. I explained the reason of this trade 5 times. Like we discussed this even before this happened. I was waiting for the break, then entry. Like continuation pattern, right? Like the initially I want to enter here, like as I drew before, but I didn't enter there. My stop loss was bigger. Like 50% of new day opening gap respected so far. We might see bounce here. Yeah, maybe. Like 50% respected, Asia low taken, data low taken. We got CGIF on both ES and NQ. Yeah, maybe I like it. Like the action from this level. Like we have for our fair value gap. My entry was based on logic, which I explained before even this move up. Like we discussed before this move down. Like we discussed, we will look for short below this level. It was doing pre-market, pretty much where I entered. So guys, we still have. Oh, by the way, you know where we can go? I would say we can go to equilibrium of previous range because we got like pretty much trend up yesterday. And when we have big range or trend move, we usually want to see next day will retrace to equilibrium of previous day range, right? So this level on in Q at 581, which is like lots of points to drop. Let's check this level on ES. So on ES, it's 487.50. Can we go there? I think so. Yeah, I would like to see ES going here right now to 64. Honestly, short on ES was way better. TradingView is amazing. As I said, TradingView and my funded futures, two best platforms ever. Equilibrium of previous range on ES because we got some sort of like trend day yesterday. Oh, you took on ES. You like it because I would say ES was way better than Q. I was just probably I missed this trade over here. Like it didn't make any sense to chase the price here because, as I said, I saw the logic on in Q. I didn't see the logic to jump at the middle of nowhere on. Yes. Oh, huge drop so far, and I got only 75 points. Like, I will not be surprised to see something like this. Guys, what do you think about this move? Can we go to 581, which is equilibrium of previous day range? Drawdown, it's okay, you know. I used to trade with drawdown. You got out at 509. Why? You basically was aiming for TJF as well, right? Can we go here? Like, I'm not sure, honestly, but equilibrium of previous day range. It's logically makes sense because we got big trend day, like range day yesterday. I would say yeah. That feels so crazy. It can. 560. 561 ES? Oh, equilibrium. Yeah, exactly. Why? You always force me to check my levels. So we want to measure equilibrium between midnight and midnight. It's basically here and here. See? I did right. You have wrong level. It's not me. 581, right? Is equilibrium of previous range. Don't question my level, please. QQQ fills the gap. Okay. Well, listen. I see absolutely nothing wrong with planning setup for long and short. Trading it's a guessing work. I know if this level is going to broken, I'm going to short. I know if this level is going to broken, I'm going to long. If you see something wrong with this, I feel sorry for you. Absolutely nothing wrong with this. If it works, trade this. Okay. Hating someone who has like plan B, it's crazy. I measure from midnight to midnight. You know this. I always do this. It was unicorns fell. Only could look ugly, honestly, here. Oh, good job. I mean, I believe we should go here, like 581. Yeah, it's basically equilibrium of previous range. So what I do to measure this, and of course you don't need to measure this every single day, but when we have trend day or big range day, I want to put this vertical lines midnight and midnight, and from low to high within this range, I would like to find 50%. 50% is equilibrium of previous range. I hope it helps. How can we apply SMT? You know, I did not expect SMT at all on ES because I was 1 second away from enter short here with stop loss above swing high, and like imagine I was in this trade, I literally could stop by 1 tick and it could drop hard, which is crazy, right? So at this point, yes, it created SMT. Probably it was like necessary to create this SMT, and another chance to enter the trade was probably this order block, but of course I missed this. And at this way down, I didn't see any other entry anymore. It's okay. I'm not going to like complain about this. But what I saw on ES, and we discussed this like before 9 a.m., this trade, but also we discussed this once we broke this level, that it's sold short opportunity. Can you explain equilibrium of previous range? Of course I can, because I have a video about this on my channel. Man, you sound like you're 5 years old. I feel sorry for you. You're trying to hate me? Oh, trust me, I don't care. You're like random person on internet. Why do you think I should care about your opinion? I don't. Okay, here's the video about equilibrium of previous range. I mean, if he wants, I don't care, guys. Come on, it's random person that is not going to do anything for me in my life. Like, well, he's sitting in his butt, probably, I don't know, like, and doing nothing, just hating everyone on YouTube. Let's continue trading. Yeah. Okay, I still would like to see lower. Let's check gold real quick. Wow. Guys, did you see this? Okay. Who traded gold? Tell me. I will say good job. Let's block him. I never saw such a stupid person in my life. Okay. Anyway, it wasn't great entry. I mean, like, yeah, it created potential sweep. We got 3-minute OB, but entry was already in equilibrium. So you sold from top? Oh, amazing. I didn't. I mean, we put this trade initially here, but as I said before, I wasn't comfortable to trade this. But once yes confirms this, oh, good job! You got 14 points on gold. That's great. That's lots of points. Yeah, good job, George. All right, let's focus probably to look for another like move down because I feel like it's trying to build second stage right now of market maker sell model. So for this, let's pull projections, I guess. It should help us. Since we got SMT with ES, I'm going to use this leg, not somewhere here. Oh yeah, we stuck at 2 and 2.5. The question is if it's going to consolidate a little bit, pump back to this range, and another short opportunity to equilibrium of previous day range, or we're just going to be straight move down, you know. But guys, can you see entry right now? I don't really see, even on 1 minute chart, like to trade in another short. Just trying to see, maybe I will find something for quick scalp. Can you see another entry, guys? $600. I agree with your level. I would like to see 581. It's 19 point difference. I guess it's not a big deal. Which indicator are you asking? Like this one? You know, I just know I don't want to look for the trade in PM session today. SMT, of course. Settings, right? Yup. Here's the settings. ICT SMT by Fadi. I still, once again, pretty sure. I mean, like, if you shorted from this top, it was great trade. But as long as we respect the statement OB, it was kind of chasing, in my opinion, chasing the short here. Once broken, yes. At this point, yes, I could be confident with short, but here initially, like I know lots of people probably shorted from this level, but initially I wouldn't say it was like perfect short for me personally. That's why I said I'm not going to touch this move. But yeah, I wish I could in this ES trade. ES looked way better. What's the best way to scale account? You can start just with one account, try to find consistency, and slowly with your payouts add another account. Can we long? The problem is I probably would like to see NQ go slower to 581 first. First to the deviation at 535. Like either plan is like we're going here to this area again, new the opening gap going down, or just straight move down, but at this point no entry at all, unfortunately. Yeah, that's why I'm asking like myself if I can short right now. Unfortunately, I cannot, but I'm wondering if it wants to trace some break here, can I short again to equilibrium of previous range? Because right now, maybe I'm blind, but I don't see another entry at all. I mean, like I don't mind to scalp for 50 points, but really cannot see entry, unfortunately. Yeah, of course. About equilibrium of previous range, let me share the link, guys. Everything on my YouTube absolutely for free. Every single strategy that I use, like level I use, it's on my YouTube. By the way, guys, in 1 hour, we will go to Tradify TV. Here's the video. Oh, 8R? You got 8R, that's brilliant. I got like 2R, probably. Pretty sure we should go here because once again, every single time when we have big range day or trend day, range day, big trend, range day and trend day are not the same. Uh, it is usually trying to go to equilibrium of previous range next day. ES already did that, and Q still struggling. So see where is ES equilibrium of previous range day? Like drop a lot. Yeah, 8R is crazy. That's good job on that trade. Yeah, you did amazing today. Where you shorted? From what level? Flat. Oh, we have flat candle at 582. Okay, that's even better. Some prop firms, yeah, they have rule about micro scalping, I guess. So I believe this means you cannot be in trade for the less than 5 seconds. So this is what they call scalp. Some prop firms, I believe, I don't remember what I saw, but some prop firms that don't allow to be in trade less than 10 seconds. But this is what they call scalping. Let's see. Like we have small fair value gap. It's going to be annoying if it doesn't want to offer another opportunity to short this, which I don't mind. Like we have small fair value gap. Probably just going to be straight move down. Flowers, okay. had to leave one micro at least on this run here. But as I said, guys, I'm not going to be like hero today and trade minis because I don't trade minis. So I traded micros, 7 micros only. So that's not a lot of contracts, I know, but I prefer to protect my account from taking trades with big size. Talking about gold, what level you'd like to aim for if you would like to short? Gold, just question, just one question, simple question. Why you didn't drop here? Like, just asking, just trying to understand. Like, drop here, we could long to this level, and that's it. Why you did this with us? Please tell me. I don't understand this. 50% of fair value gap. Yeah, 3620, but still annoying. Oh my god. So it's not a guess valid anymore because we want to see exactly the same move that already happened. See, we got minor equal lows over here. Let's see where could be 2R at this point. Like, we got potential sweep on hourly and 30-minute chart. We got 3-minute OB. Just interesting where was potential, like 2R. It's going to be 2R. Oh, okay. It's here at 36.23, like 10 points away. Gold data low. Oh, you're asking for too much, I guess, especially for Friday. Like continuation. Did we get the closure? Oh, not yet. Okay. Thank you, final TP. Oh my god. Unfortunately, didn't find another entry. But still would like to see equilibrium of previous range. Yeah, today gold moves exactly the same direction within CUNY, yes. Unfortunately as well. Closed way too early. But who actually knew it's going to go to below the data low? Is that normal? Not really. $35.65. Oh, you want to see huge drop? I know about huge drop, especially on Friday. Oh, don't worry. If you got like $350 on Friday on several accounts, trust me, it's okay. Why you didn't give me the signal then? If you knew it's going to drop here. Yeah, like no complaints, right? How many points? Like 79 points only. And it dropped like 200 from my entry. If I was smart, I would take partial at data low as well. But it is what it is, right? It's actually funny. We talk about equilibrium of previous range before, but I really did not expect to get that move. Oh, you got 140? That's a lot. Good job. I still would like to see like 20 points lower. Let's check where ES right now. By the way, today's example when we finally, first time in my life, got the reversal from all-time high. Isn't that funny? But in reality, guys, look at the minute chart. It's literally straight move down. Stop talking about it. Yeah, sorry about this. Yeah, I'm honestly surprised to see like gold goes up and went up before that as well. So like once again, it's strange because like when we have bad news or good news, in Q always goes up. Why? Good job. We're in the first area for long. Not yet. We need to hit 581. Logically, we should go here. We just hit this, right? Let me see. Yeah, we just hit that level. Okay. And first standard deviation 535. Such a crazy move. Flat hit. Yeah. 312. 312? Today? Oh, you sure? What we have at 312? I have nothing. But I believe it's already dropped a lot. Like from current high of the day, 300 points, like almost 350 points on Friday, NVP. Oh, wow. I did not expect it at all. Monday high at 555. Oh, yeah. 555, 535 is forced deviation of manipulation leg. Yeah, maybe it makes sense. Maybe not. Look at this, like 1 minute chart. Like we got 1 minute OB. And after this, every single order block on 1 minute chart is respected. I normally don't trust this, by the way. Weekly open. All right. It's monthly open as well, right? Guys, why is dropping so hard today? Like, I'm not going to lie. I did not expect this at all. It feels crazy. Yes, I do consider for our fair value gap. Like it was like short week, and they're trying to do like what they missed on Monday. Oh, you expect this whole week? Okay. Monthly. Oh, monthly is anti. Let's check by the way high different charts. You know, like looking at current closure, I'm going to compare actually. Look at this current closure on monthly. We got potential sweep, so which actually makes sense for the tracement. But what happened on ES? We got extremely bullish closure. It's bullish closure on ES. Probably that's why we took all-time high. But guys, what is your plan for September? What you anticipate to get? Is it going to drop hard this month? To pump again by the end of the year? Like, as you can see, we got monthly fair value gap lower, like 300 points lower on ES. And I believe we have exactly same fair value gap on NQ, right? Once again, ES pretty bullish closure with previous monthly candle. But NQ kind of like 50-50 closure. You want to see, oh, okay. Lines up with monthly fair value gap. It's going to be moved from external to internal, right? When we have a flower bias, I prefer to use 30-minute chart. Look for potential sweep on 30-minute chart and 3-minute entry. So basically, initially, when we talk about the trade today, what I had on my chart was idea, like first trade here, was based on 30-minute potential sweep. See this? Like potential sweep, 3-minute OBD test, like entry. Another entry that I saw was at continuation of this candle. Like we got the closure. I had to enter here, but once again, I kind of felt like it's 50-50 setup. So I entered at the break of level over here. Like OB broken, short. But looking at this like huge drop, it's quite a lot. Weaker than expected. Okay. Oh, maybe that's why, by the way. We dropped because of NQ. Where was your short zone? I mean, if I go on 4-hour chart, from what I saw, we hit equal lows, but also it was flat top. See these flat candles on both, like this up close candle and down close candle. And actually we reversed from that level. See? A bit of consolidation then drop. I missed your question. Let me scroll up. Can you pause this again? I cannot hear. Oh, you asked about reversal. I didn't expect reversal on NQ. I expected this on ES. But initially where I want to enter on ES, I want to enter short initially on ES. It was immediately invalidated just by one tick. And I saw another opportunity on ES, but I'm not going to lie, it was already like 50-50. If first time I was like pretty much confident, second time I wasn't confident in that trade at all. And after this, I saw zero entry, like no chance to enter again. And then I switched on NQ, and yes, we put this short like once this happened, but once again, I said I'm not going to trade MNQ. I'm not going to take this short. But since ES confirmed short, second short, I was waiting for the break this order block and I entered the trade. I was aiming for 50% of this week. I took partial there over here. And I closed the rest at data low. Data low also was 20% of weekly range. Funded trader, funded next. Rapid challenge. It's way better and not that expensive. But for example, a legacy right now has 40% off, which makes this price similar. I know, like both are nice, both one-time activation, one-time evaluation and no activation fee. Like new one, I guess, is better. Yes, 3-minute OB. I always use exactly the same model. For example, first entry, which was like 50-50 to me, was model. Here was continuation. But entry was late. My entry was late. I'm not going to lie. Probably, yeah, I was lucky because I never was in true down, but overall, it wasn't perfect entry. Yeah, empty model works nice when we don't have like trend day, and it's nice for reversal. For example, today, let me see, like 2-minute chart look ugly. Let's see if you had empty model today. Honestly, I wouldn't say so. Like it was pretty much consolidation near 9 a.m. open. Oh, don't worry, you don't have. If you won $1 50K core plan My Funded Futures account, you do need to pay activation fee. It's free. It's only $1 total. Evaluation and fund account. Don't worry about this. I will post backtest session video about potential 30-minute sweep and hourly sweep for gold because I trade this 99% of the time and it makes sense to post video about this. And guys, I promise, after watching this video, you must buy evaluation or just try this on demo account and you will see how perfect it is. I mean, like, yes, it is. If it's not going to work, guys, you can block me everywhere. Like, unsubscribe. Ban me everywhere. If it's not going to work. I'm confident it's going to work. 561. We were arguing about equilibrium of previous range. In this video, I will post short lesson, and then the rest of this video is going to be backtest. Okay, not bad market overall. So I will post, like, you just can trade just one model on gold. I'm not like promoting this, but it's really nice. It works. Maybe not everywhere, but on gold you can. You can try. Yeah, today is going to be another video because I made new video about NinjaTrader, how to set up NinjaTrader, how to copy on your NinjaTrader platform. So it's going to be introduction to NinjaTrader for prop firm traders. That's first video because I already ended it. Next video is going to be, I guess I'm going to record this today, but we'll post next week because I need to edit this, make this beautiful. But it will be about gold model again. Guys, see this reaction? Coincident? 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 Nope. Yes, exactly. So I already started this video, this backtest session, and I decided to just use 30-minute sweep and 3-minute OB. So, because if I'm going to use hourly sweep, 5-minute OB, and 30-minute sweep and 3-minute OB, it's going to take forever. Like, it's going to be a long video. So we still have like a couple of levels lower on NQ. It's forced in a deviation of this manipulation leg and monthly weekly open. Halfway from passing your eval. That's perfect. That's amazing. I always say, like, no rush to pass evaluation. It's great practice for you to train your skills before switching on funded account. You bought at 583 on where? On NQ. You don't want to see one more drop? On NQ. I would like to see a bit lower, like a bit lower. 5-minute OB. So basically, if you have potential hourly sweep, you can confirm this by 5-minute OB. What's wrong with this? Nothing. Yeah, so. Yeah, take your time. Never like rush to pass evals. If it's not epics, that's going to be like, it's going to end today. No rush. I wasn't rushed to pass on Tuesday. But at least for now, I have epics again. Like right now, I need to build buffer. It's going to take forever. I know, but I will take my time. Hate this, by the way. Hell to build the buffer. I will still have trading drawdown. I still have like initial balance there. Fresh, brand new funded accounts. But I hope I'm going to be good with this. I would like to earn like 4K. It will take forever because I'm going to trade with micros. I have trading drawdown. It's going to take forever, at least 1 month, I believe. Like, but it's mentally hard because evals is evals. Like, I feel zero stress when I'm trying to trade evals, but I feel pretty much like stressful when I'm trying to do exactly the same on my funded accounts. And that's funny because if it works on evaluation, it's not going to work on funded accounts. Why? I don't know why. Because I do copy all trades. Didn't copy today because I'm stupid, but it's okay. Unfortunately, if you bought your Apex accounts, but you didn't trade them, Your last day to activate this cheap price was yesterday. So unfortunately, nope. It's going to be a regular activation fee. I believe 140 or something like this. Yeah. Never chase. So, sometimes we need to force ourselves to press the button. It was hard for me, I guess, for the first maybe 15 months, 16 months when I started trading. It was so hard because I saw setup and I was like, I need to just click one click and I'm going to be in this trade. But I always question, like when I see like textbook setup, but when I'm like 1 second away from clicking the button, I was like, what if I am wrong? And I always find like 10 million excuses to not take this trade. But yeah, finally, just probably I'm happy. I'm not sad because of I'm not going to cry about my about my losses anymore. And this helped me. If it's loss, it's loss. I don't care anymore. That's probably helped me. Like just don't worry about losses. It will help you to click the button. I hate to build the buffer. That's extremely annoying. Yeah. I know how I'm going to do this, but I'm probably going to start with small size, like 3-4 micros. It's going to take 1 month, maybe 2 months. I'm not that person that's going to full port immediately to make lots of money. I overcome this barrier not like long time ago. Maybe it was beginning of this year. Because like if I want to remember like what happened last year, after each losses, I was like, oh my god, you're stupid. You need to change your model. Something wrong with you. You cannot take winning trades. And even if it was like solid loss, like which words to take, right? I still question my skills. I always was like, I I know how to trade, and I was crying when I was taking losses. After like I closed my chart. I was crying. I was saying to my husband, I cannot trade. I know how to trade. I'm stupid. So, but then I realized, like, okay, it's impossible to win every single time. But once again, it's so hard for me. Probably that's why I was crying. It's so hard for me to be wrong. Like I love to be right all the time, and it's kind of hard for me, unfortunately, to be wrong. To understand like I am wrong. Even when I'm trying to prove to my husband something and then I realize, okay, I'm wrong right now. I'm never ever going to say this. I'm going to say like, okay, okay. Not going to accept like I was wrong. Heart, heart. Yep. Yeah, at least he can see like I understand he is right, I'm wrong, but I'm not going to say this. It's hard, by the way. It's bad because sometimes I need to say like, sorry, I was wrong, but I cannot do this. I mean, like I'm trying, but when I see his face, I was like, no, thank you. I married for like 9 years. I never ever said I was I was wrong. I mean, sometimes I'm sitting in the office and I'm like, right now I'm going to stand up and go to my husband and say sorry. Then I go, I see his face there. I'm like, no, you didn't deserve this. Yeah. Yes. He's waiting because he knows he's right. Guys, I know it's bad, but needs to work on this. Type 6 if you're in the chat right now and you need to help. You need help. Sometimes he watches my streams. Hope he's watching stream. He probably can hear me. Type 6 in the chat. If you're here, please. It's not him. That's a woman DNA. Exactly so. You just need to know this information. Well, guys, today at 11:30 I will stream on TradingView TV. So join me at 11:30. I will take a quick break to finish my cold coffee, and I will see you in 25 minutes on TradingView TV. By the way, I don't remember what his YouTube username. He's not gonna press 6. He pressed one time, like a couple of months ago. I was like, what are you doing? Ping 3 times if you need help. Guys, I will see you. Let me send you a link where I'm going to stream on TradingView TV. And if you missed information from next week, from Monday to Friday, I will stream PM session on TradingView TV every single day. I'm going to annoy you there. So not only here, you're going to be... Okay, he's in the chat, guys. See his? Miami now, it's my husband. He needs help. He needs help. He just typed 6 in the chat. That's real husband. Well, guys, here's the link from TradingView TV. I'm going to stream there. See, they feel sorry for you. Guys, here's the link. I'm going to stream there in 25 minutes. I'm on your side. Yeah, it's my husband. Say sorry to him now. Nope. I mean, it's a Russian speaker too. You understand this, right? You go long? Oh, we just hit worst deviation. Guys, I will see you in 25 minutes. Let me take 23 minutes. Let me take a quick break. I'm going to try to warm my cold coffee. 500 people can witness. No? Like 100% no right now. What card did you get? His birthday, by the way, was like 1 week ago. He got nice gifts. No time for break. Bye, guys. Bye, guys. Next time. I will see you in 20 minutes on TradingView TV. Join me. Let's continue trolling my husband there. Okay, guys, thank you for watching me. I will see you in 20 minutes. Bye, everyone.